In this video, we're going to revisit the problem of building a database using ChatGPT. So the problem is that we have an empty database, we have ChatGPT, and what we're going to do here in this case is we're going to do it a little bit differently. We're just going to ask explicitly for the insert commands. So what we're asking for here are things like give the actual inserts of the diseases and the organs. So if you go back to the earlier video, we're just asking for these, instead of for in English, we just want to have them in straight SQL. So this is actually what comes out. We have to touch it up a bit. So we copied it into this file. Now we're touching it up. And then finally we have this experiment.sql, and we're just going to create a PostgreSQL database with this script here. So we create the database, and then all we're going to do here is just feed the script in. All right. And then what we do here, so there, and good. So it looks like we've inserted, we built both the organs and diseases table. So here we're just going to create a quick C phrase configuration for it, and we're just going to launch that to see, just to verify, just do a sanity check. Yes, it looks like we're getting our 27 diseases are coming in here. Okay, so it looks like we have diseases of some various organs here. So that was fairly efficient. So here are the pancreatic diseases that are in the database as it stands. All right, so that was a very quick way to do it, but what we might want to do is we might want to get more diseases. So what we've done here is we've gone back and we've just asked ChatGPT to give us more, give us 100 more. Now notice here, it doesn't give us 100, okay? So if, say, give us even more, so here's another 100 inserts, but actually it's not giving us 100, because remember, there's a limit on the size of the completion in ChatGPT, okay? So, but anyways, this is what we get out here. Now, of course, there's again this touch-up this kind of annoying touch-up on the apostrophes inside SQL. The SQL convention for apostrophes, it doesn't seem to be getting that. But this is not too much work. That was a strange thing where we had to kind of it left off that termination there of the final parenthesis and semicolon. So we continue on here. So we've gone this. So now we're building this more.sql. So this should be more diseases that we can put into our database. And good. Okay, so we've kind of touched that up. Now let's try this again. Okay, well, we got another one of those. Now look what happens here. We have a lot of problems here with duplications. Okay, so ChatGPT, since it doesn't really remember, it's giving us a lot of duplicates. And in this database here, so that was a lot of work to fix that. But finally, we've got it to a fixed state here. And through this, we're actually going to see what a better strategy is to actually get the insert commands out of ChatGPT. And we're going to see that in a second here with the, when we look at what you do here is you ask for the diseases of the liver. Okay, so now when you do this, actually it's much better. And if you just do these kind of in sequence here, so give us more diseases of the liver, all right, so we've done 2 of these. It is good enough not to have duplicates here. So we're going to see in a second how we can actually paste this in, and we're going to have not so many problems with the duplicates, all right? So let's just take a look here what happens. We fix all this right here. So we're getting more of these insert commands, asking for all of them. And then what we're going to do here is then we're going to build the file. So what we're going to do is we're going to delete the liver diseases here because we don't want to get the duplicates. So we deliver the organs, and now we're going to paste this in after that. So these are just going to be our liver diseases that we're going to add at the end here, at the end of the script. All right, so let's just see how this works. Hopefully it'll work. Hopefully there won't be any duplications. And what do we have here? Okay, so that's all set up there. This is obviously sped up here. Now we're recreating the whole database, and good, look, the livers go in. So we do it smart enough to not have duplicates of the liver disease when we're asking specifically like that in sequence. All right, so here we see we have a lot more liver diseases than other organ diseases, but we could actually go back and then just start adding those in as well. All right, so this actually, I think this is a lot more efficient way of actually building a database than the earlier video made back in December, but one learns how to use ChatGPT as one goes along. So these are the names. Now, if you go here, you might actually see that there's some duplication here, but a physician might have to make that determination. All right, what are the conclusions here from all this? So the conclusions are that, we showed that you can just get the actual insert commands from ChatGPT, which is good, but watch it with duplicates. Remember, there's a completion limit on ChatGPT, so you won't give you hundreds at once, all right? And this was the main difficulty in this experiment, and I would say it sucked. So you should put conditions when you call on the inserts, and then do them in sequence so you can get so it remembers and cannot present duplicates. Okay, thank you very much for your attention.